For safe and reliable operations on pressure components, one must conduct regular NDT checks for even minor defect detection. Phased Array Ultrasonic Test, that is PAUT, is one of the emerging ultrasonic testing used to inspect damages like cracks, voids and pits caused by corrosion on the component. For any fitness for services assessment, PAUT is essential. Let us understand why PAUT is an advanced version of ultrasonic testing. In conventional ultrasonic testing, the transducer has one element for transmitting and one for receiving ultrasonic waves. On the other hand, in PAUT, transducer is computer-assisted and has 16 to 256 elements. These elements pulse at different time intervals. As elements can pulse separately, this method can produce high-resolution cross-sections of a component. Using sequential beams at multiple angles, PAUT creates a detailed scan. By adjusting beam shapes, inspection parameters, such as focal point and incidence angle, can be adjusted, which gives a better chance of detecting defected components. With a documented repeatability of 2 decibels, the phased array has proven to be reliable and accurate. We will discuss more about this technique in upcoming episodes. Until then, like, share and subscribe to our social media channels for more updates.